Hello, I have some very exciting news to share with you. Myself, Michael, caretaker, and cameraman John got evicted. And in celebration, we're throwing a fundraiser. We got shirts. The front of the shirt is an obese cat and it says "We got evicted." Back of the shirt is one of those film wreaths. It says, "They are worried about science experiments in the house." That's the new landlords for the house we applied to. Check out dftba.com/William Osman, I think. It'll be on the screen. We've got yellow inbred cat shirts. We got black inbred cat shirts. We got black and yellow inbred cat hoodies, and we got stickers. And I think that's it. Oh, there's cat tattoos as well. So use the promo code LANDLORDSUCK. I just made that up. And you'll get, I don't know, 15% off. I also just made that up. Thanks for being patient, and sorry about taking so long to upload a video. I was homeless. Again. Welcome back to life hacks that are dangerous? I don't know. I'm asking a question. You don't know? Because if they're dangerous, I think we should put the hat on. They're not that dangerous? Today's life hacks use these ingredients: Vienna sausages, a blowtorch, tuna, another knife, tape, pads, panty liners. Oh no. I feel like I should put this jumper on. Today's topic is manly life hacks. What a cool intro they've got going on here. Oh, that's so manly. For men! And it starts immediately with a female hygienic. Wait, what? It intros life hacks for men and immediately goes into a women's life hack? Wait, am I crazy? No. It's like a very manly intro, 5-minute crafts, men. How to survive with a panty liner is the first life hack for men. I'm already beginning to get pretty aggro, so I should take advantage of this hack, which is, you don't have to use deodorant, I guess? Oh, how do these work? She's smelling herself, she smells bad. Oh, she's very sweaty. You just fold it inside the crease. Do I do it on the regular shirt? John, how does this work? Why is this sticky? Why is this stuck? What does the plastic do? The first one in. And by the way, guys, we're gonna give these pads away at the end of the video. So if you want William's sweaty pads, leave a comment. I think what's gonna happen, the pad's gonna get wet and it's gonna soak up some sweat, but it's still gonna leak out the sides. So you're gonna have this really weird sweat pattern where it's dry in the middle and then soaked on the sides. Maybe after this we'll go on a run, come back to see how well the pads held up. It kind of works, but you get that streak in the middle and it kind of bleeds on the sides. As long as you're not sweating a ton, I think it works well. If you are sweating a ton, this is just stupid. I think it's stupid. The second one, she looks like she's freezing. The lead into the project is she's very cold. Looks like she has to pee, actually. She's doing the pee waddle. She pulls out her purse, pulls out another pad, sticks it in her shoe, and she immediate relief. Does anyone have any idea what's going on? What's the relief? What was the problem? What does this solve? She sticks the whole thing in her shoe, puts her foot back in, and is immediately relieved. Is she cold? Did it warm her feet up? Well, now that I've had a stroke, let's move on to the next video. 16 car hacks and manly tricks. Canned hot dogs. Oh boy, you're trying to kill me. This life hack seems to be about opening cans with a spoon. I think that's it. I think that's actually it. Okay guys, so if your life isn't already sad enough where you're eating canned hot dogs, take it to the next sadness level by not having a can opener for your canned hot dogs and not picking a can of hot dogs that has a tab on top. But the good news is you have a spoon, damn it. We're gonna have to use tuna. Is that okay? No one's gonna get mad at us. Does it really matter what's in the can? Anyways, you're sad. You're eating canned hot dogs. You don't have a can opener, but you have a spoon. This is the hack. We're gonna open a can with a spoon. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh my God. This is insane. I think I'd rather starve. You know what? Just gotta get my nourishment from the juice because that's all it's gonna. A minute 30 plus like at least another 30 seconds or a minute. I'm gonna call this a win. My hands actually really hurt. Life hack, I've been informed. This is a full meal. We're gonna heat the knife up and cut through the bread. It's on fire! This has to be a joke. Like, this isn't real. Don't do this. Like, no one should ever be doing this. Gonna get the knife red hot. The video suggests red hot, and it's not a life hack unless you follow it to the T. All right, and now we're gonna cut our toast. Wow, it does exactly what the life hack says it will do. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, it didn't even cut all the way through. I prefer using a knife to smear my tuna on my toast. I'm just waiting for the comments. They're like, you're gonna get more cancer after the tea last time. I mean, it's just burnt, right? The smoke is definitely kind of a deterrent. Vienna sausage pate. You pick these hacks? You trying to kill me? Let's head on over to the William Osman subreddit. It's a very healthy and wholesome community, and I hope it stays that way, so please don't defile it. How many upvotes to make William build this? Oh boy, what could this be? Power tools and a life hack. It starts to like, kind of, I don't know, maybe leave life hack territory. Okay, so there's bearings, there's timing pulleys, timing belt, a motor. You look at all the parts you need to do this. At what point you just go to the store and buy a chainsaw? Like, I don't even know what a chainsaw blade is gonna cost. Like, I don't even know if you can buy a guide and a blade. Chainsaw parts. $40! The chain itself is like 15 to 20 bucks. All right, he's got some PVC pipe, drilling more holes, little buttons, some hot glue. Okay, I see. They've covered the rubber timing belt to protect your fingers, and there's a massive exposed chain that's bolted to a piece of like crappy like wood. They're worried about the belt. Hey Michael, can I get your opinion on something? At what point is a life hack like not a life hack? Like, is this a life hack? Like, if I have to go to the store right now and spend $25, $30 on a chainsaw blade and blade guide.
No, it's still a life hack, because then it's attached to that piece of wood.
So it doesn't really matter what you have, as long as it's attached to something kind of janky, then it's a life hack.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the store. Where's the front? Oh, that's the front. Oh God. We're looking at our options now for chainsaw. The cheapest guide and blade option is $30. But I don't know how you actually spin the chain. See this little idler right here, so the chain kind of rides around the edge. We don't have this part. We need some sort of thing that engages the chain, and that I don't know where we're gonna find short of buying an entire chainsaw or 3D print something. I'm just gonna take a picture of this with ruler markers, and maybe we can try and recreate it. Are we being asked if we need help? Or are we being told to stop filming? Pretend like we're invisible. Tell them we're taking pictures of birds. They believe it every time. I mean, short of having a broken chainsaw, what part of this is a life hack? Let's head on down to Haggle Tree Farms, where they grow Christmas trees all year round. What do you think, silly? They just grew them the month before Christmas? No, these bad boys, I think, take many years to grow until they finally cut them down to death so you can prop up the corpse of nature's lungs in your living room. Oh wait, I forgot to show you how the chainsaw was made. 1 second. Hey gamers, this is how I built the chainsaw. Why is it all invisible? What did I do? Bring in my corporate espionage, or just, I don't know, what is this, plagiarism? We're gonna steal the dimensions, create some little star-shaped things, and then we're gonna fill that in, and next thing you know, boom, bada bing, you've got yourself a chain drive. So we're gonna slap that onto the 3D printer. This is way more complicated than it needs to be. And now this block of wood has to get cut. Look at that, it carves it all out. Boom, wow, very exciting. I hope you are better informed and you yourself now understand what it takes to make a chainsaw, and you plan on making this chainsaw. Definitely go and make one of these. No, don't actually make one of these. This is the legal portion of the video where I say, don't actually make one of these chainsaws because it will cut your hand off. That is not a joke. It almost cut my hand off. What do you guys normally cut down trees with? This is the guy who runs the Christmas tree farm. It's been in his family for a couple generations, he said.
We use chainsaws ourselves.
Okay.
But we typically don't let customers.
Oh, okay. So when a customer comes, they use just a handsaw.
Yeah, because it's quite a bit of liability.
Are you ready to see a DIY chainsaw?
I would love to. So this is like the first draft.
No, I think this is it. Slightly less expensive than the cheapest chainsaw we could find. I think we spent about $40 on all the parts.
For the drill and a full bar and a brand
Right.
new chain, $40 sounds like a ripping deal.
Are you ready to
Plus
see it
the
rip?
lithium.
Since these guys are no doubtedly chainsaw experts, I asked them if they doubted the safety of my DIY life hack super awesome chainsaw. They did.
Yeah,
I
man.
wouldn't be worried about your hands. I'd be more worried about your arms. The chain breaking and then wrapping into your wrist.
Okay. This is one of the biggest decisions you'll have to make all year. It's deciding which tree corpse you want to prop up in your living room. They got big ones, small ones, crooked ones, ugly ones. All right, so which tree can we cut? You thinking this one? It's pretty wild looking. It looks like it exploded on the left side.
Beggars can't be choosers, man.
No, I know. This is the perfect tree. I'm just making an observation. So how do you cut a tree? Just like kind of pull it back and...
There's many ways to skin a cat.
Yeah. But I wasn't really sure what he was talking about and kind of honestly afraid to ask because this was a Christmas tree farm. Why are we killing cats? But how do you do the tree?
How do you build a chainsaw?
I don't. You buy all the replacement parts they sell at the hardware store and then take a piece of wood and bolt it together.
I'm not super confident about the ability to get through that trunk.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing great.
I think killing a cat would have been easier though, because we couldn't cut down the tree with this chainsaw. It's definitely not my fault. I built the chainsaw exactly as the life hack suggested. I was actually kind of embarrassed not having a functional chainsaw. I knew it was gonna be bad. Everybody here knows this chainsaw is gonna be horrible. Like we built a horrible chainsaw. I mean, we assumed it was gonna be horrible. You never know. Sometimes the life hacks surprise you. But for having a horrible chainsaw, knowing it's a horrible chainsaw, it's still embarrassing showing up to a farm with this thing trying to cut a tree down. It's like, oh yeah, we're definitely gonna try to cut a tree down. Like I can't shake the idea that the whole point of what we're doing is to cut a tree down. And so when I can't cut the tree down, I feel bad about it. Why? What's wrong with me? Everybody knows this thing sucks. Why am I trying so hard?
Oh my God, I hate that God.
Can you guys 3D print this?
Oh my God, this...
Did it actually? Woo! Okay, Will, I like it.
This is not...
Good job.
This life hack sucks. So we did what we always do. Do you have anything more Charlie Brown-like? And solved our problem backwards.
Yes.
You know where you start at the end and then work towards the problem from instead of the front towards the problem? Okay, what I'm trying to say is we made the problem easier. Man, there's a lot of really, really pretty trees
this
here.
Is beautiful. I think this one right here.
And it's a nice size, too.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible.
I think, I don't know. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is this what we want?
I think this would look really nice in our living room.
We can do this one?
Is this one okay? Is this one gonna be like too much?
Yeah, just make sure to water it when you get home.
Okay.
All right. Okay, good. It's not even gonna work on this. I'm gonna call it right now. It's gonna break again.
Well, that's something. Who gets the gloves? You want one glove and I get the other glove?
I got it.
Safety first, Michael.
Yep. Thank you.
Just if the chainsaw starts coming towards your feet, just move out
I'll
of the way.
just run really fast.
Yeah! It's completely dried out. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot.
We're gonna take that home and we're gonna plant that.
Yeah, how much is this, by the way?
No, how much do we owe you?
No, seriously.
Thanks for tuning in and being super awesome. I can't be seen on camera right now because I'm not wearing any pants, but remember to go check out our fundraiser. There's a link in the description and the code is LandlordsSuck for 15% off.